Biohacking is optimizing your biology through science, through data, through experimentation. Not just accepting default health, but actively improving it, measuring it, enhancing it. This isn't extreme, it's applying engineering principles to the human body. Start with basics: sleep, nutrition, exercise, stress management. These are foundational biohacks. Not sexy, not new, but most impactful. Master these before chasing advanced interventions. No supplement compensates for poor sleep. No nootropic replaces exercise. Tracking creates awareness. You can't optimize what you don't measure. Sleep quality, HRV, blood markers, body composition, mood, energy. Track these. See patterns. See what helps. What hurts. Data removes guesswork. Wearables provide continuous data. Whoop, Oura, Apple Watch. These track sleep, activity, heart rate, HRV, recovery. The feedback is immediate. You see how last night's alcohol affected sleep, how today's workout affected recovery. Blood work reveals internal state. Standard panels show general health. Advanced panels show more. Hormones, vitamins, minerals, inflammatory markers. Get blood work done. Regularly, track changes over time. Continuous glucose monitors show food response. In real time, you see exactly how different foods affect your blood sugar, how exercise affects it, how sleep affects it. This personalized data is incredibly powerful. Cold exposure has multiple benefits: improves circulation, boosts metabolism, enhances immune function, builds mental toughness. Start with cold showers, 30 seconds. Build up. Or ice baths, 2 to 3 minutes, a few times weekly. Sauna exposure is therapeutic. Heat stress, cardiovascular conditioning, detoxification, longevity benefits. 20 minutes, a few times weekly. After sauna, cool down. This contrast therapy is powerful. Red light therapy supports cellular energy, mitochondrial function, wound healing, skin health. 10 to 20 minutes daily. Specific wavelengths matter. This isn't magic, it's photobiomodulation. Nootropics enhance cognition. Caffeine, L-theanine. These are proven, safe. Other nootropics are more experimental. These require research, medical supervision potentially. Start conservative. One variable at a time. Supplements fill gaps. Vitamin D if deficient. Magnesium for most people. Omega-3 if not eating fish. Creatine for cognition and strength. These are evidence-based, but supplements are supplements, not replacements for food. Fasting is a powerful biohack. Intermittent fasting, extended fasting, both have benefits. Autophagy, metabolic flexibility, insulin sensitivity, mental clarity. Start with 12-hour overnight fast. Extend to 16 hours, occasionally 24 hours. Breathwork affects physiology immediately. Wim Hof method. Box breathing. These techniques change blood pH, affect nervous system, release stress, improve focus. Free. Available anywhere. Personalization is key. What works for others might not work for you. Your genetics differ. Your lifestyle differs. Experiment, track, adjust. Find what optimizes your biology. Don't chase every trend. New biohacks emerge constantly. Most are hype, some are harmful. Be skeptical, demand evidence. Start conservative. One change at a time. Safety first. Some biohacks are risky, unproven. Don't take experimental drugs without medical supervision. Don't fast for weeks without guidance. Be smart, be cautious. The goal is increasing health span. Living longer, living better, more energy, better cognition, less disease. Biohacking is a tool. Use it wisely. Use it safely. To build the best version of yourself. To live optimally. To thrive. Start simple. Master basics. Then experiment. Track. Optimize gradually, sustainably. This is biohacking, not magic bullets. Just systematic optimization of sleep, diet, exercise, recovery, all working together, all supporting health. This is how you win at health. This is how you live well.